कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka BDWS Career Academy kan penlong yaga Meghalaya Scholastic Aptitude Test haka khatan riu tarik ubanai maj haka porshi phobajem step hashulong tura but clear.
Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla konra ki sangma haka khat artrik ulber ara pusau ulong ba ke Jylla Meghalaya ke basya kedop hapo ke kernet bahan riu jong keriti sensyar keri India kelalait de kendon an jong ke Citizenship Amendment Act ara khat khandai haka jeng kran bekila pathai kubor Myntri Rangbah ulong ba ke ni ka an kan trekam tang haki jaka ki bamhap hapo ke schedule area bat nalor kata ula Pynthikna ru ba ke ni ka an kadom Ktah dalilei ru em ya ke Jylla Meghalaya.
No, I don't have any comments on why the timing. The government of India is doing its part from terms of the bill that was passed 4 years back. It's the rules. But from Meghalaya's point of view, it doesn't really impact us much because the 6 scheduled areas, are completely exempted from the CAA. And hardly, as I said, we used to say 99%, but it's actually 99.9999%. There's a small section which is non-scheduled area. But apart from that, the entire scheduled area has been exempted, so it will not have any impact on the state of Meghalaya. But as I said, the question of government of India coming up with rules, those are procedures that are followed by government of India. So I don't want to comment on that. See, we're not understanding what this whole thing is. There is hardly municipal area of 2 to 3 or this entire European ward of 2 square kilometers or 1 square kilometer, whatever it is. It's really not a big impact. The entire rest of the state is exempted from it. So I think we are looking at that one dot which is there and not realizing that the rest of the 99.999% is not included. That's what is important to note. So this one dot is there because of a technical issue. Otherwise, the entire 6 scheduled area is exempted from the CA.